Wish you very good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Myself, Anshu Narang from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in the earlier class, we have learned about body parts. We have learned to identify the names of body parts. So now today, we will do an exercise related to the topic. So kids, now open your General Awareness Workbook, kids. This is your General Awareness Workbook. This is your pink workbook, okay? So, General Awareness Workbook. Mention the date and classwork at the top. Open the page number 3. Parents are requested to mention the date and classwork at the top. And sharp your pencil. So, kids, what we will do in this exercise? In this exercise, we will match the pictures with correct words. We will match the pictures with correct words. The kids, first we will identify these pictures, then we will learn to read these spellings, then we will do the exercise. Okay? So now first, identify these pictures with me. This is an ear. This is an eye. Touch your body parts with me, kids. This is an ear. This is an eye. This is your nose. And this is hand. This is leg. This is lip. And these are fingers. Right. Now read the spellings with me. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. H-A-N-D, hand. E-A-R, ear. E-Y-E-S, eyes. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. L-E-G, leg. L-I-P, lip. So kids, now do the exercise with me. Now we will match the pictures with their correct words. Now tell me, which picture is this? What is this, kids? This is an ear. So where is the spelling of ear? This is nose. This is hand. This is ear. So we will match the picture of ear with the spelling like this. Now this is the picture of an eye. So where is the spelling of eyes? Nose, hand, ear, eyes. So we will match this picture with the spelling. Match it like this. Very good. This is nose. So where is the spelling of nose? Yes, this is the spelling of nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Match this picture with the correct spelling. Now this is the picture of hand. Where is the spelling of hand? Right, this is the spelling of hand. H-A-N-D, hand. So match it like this. Very good. Now we will come to the next picture. This is the picture of leg. Where is the spelling of leg, kids? Fingers, leg. Right, this is the spelling of leg. L-E-G, leg. Now match this picture with the correct spelling like this. This is the picture of lip. Where is the spelling of lip, kids? Finger, leg, lip. This is the spelling of lip. L-I-P, lip. Match this picture with the spelling like this. And what are these? These are fingers. So we will match this picture with the spelling like this. Fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Now revise with me. E-A-R, ear. E-Y-E-S, eyes. H-A-N-D, hand. N-O-S-E, nose. L-E-G, leg. L-I-P, lip. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. So kids, do this exercise in your workbook, General Awareness Workbook, page number 3, and color these pictures beautifully and learn to identify and read body parts from your workbook and book also. Bye bye. Have a good day.